Hi, I'm Kim. I'm going to show you one thing to do to get really cool. All you're going to need is a straw. And I made my straw. So, all you want to do is click each end of the straw and like this. And then, now wait, you cut them. And don't worry, when it's pointing, what you need to do is, I call this the duck noise. You put your mouth on the pin side and blow like this. Wait, it's not right. It's gonna make a noise. Oh, you have to close it down. Close it down and close it. Forgot about that noise. See, when you close it down, it works. If it's not closed down, it's not gonna work. So, okay. Well, that's one. Bye. Oh, and other videos you can get. This sound is coming from science vibration. Vibration is working against the straw. If you want to do other science, you can go on, what is it called? ScienceBob.com, and it has all these cool videos and stuff, and it teaches you how to, like, make, the sound. Well, one last time here, because, like, it's kind of funny. Okay, bye.